Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show how to block someone on Discord app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. We're gonna begin by opening up your Discord app. Once you open up your Discord app, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on the person that you want to block. Then tap on their name right there. Once you tap on their username, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look to the middle. As you see like the profile right there, you're going to select the three dots right there. Tap on that. Then you're going to select block or remove friend. Make sure you tap on block right there. Then you're going to block them. And that's how you block someone on Discord app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.